I've got enough money. It's a fun.
Cameras, game 4, sync, sync, sync.
It's all calm. It's impossible to know that. You've got beach and boots and everything.
Of course, if somebody watch Facebook, you can see it. It's very simple. It's very simple. 10 minutes each box. Yeah. What's happening? You need to find it which colors is yours. It's yellow and blue. Obviously, if you guys want to win, you need to make sure your color box, yeah, device, all the time is going down until 0 and it starts screaming a lot. How to do it? Basically, when you start playing, that box will be on the top on the bridge in Stargate in the middle. You're not allowed to move, of course, that box. There will be activator or leave in the middle, wherever. And you boys come, if you're a yellow team, put in yours. And the start time is start going down. Yeah, you're fighting, you're defending, whatever, but you're not allowed to push box. Yeah. Blue team, you take over bridge, remove device to another one. And there's time is going down. This time is stop it. Maximum in this game you got half hour. That means if they're changing a lot, changing, half hour is gone. Less time, that team win. Like now example, there is 9:40 and there is 9:48. Yellow team win. Yeah?
Yeah, simple.
Yes.
Cool.
Simple and easy. That means you need to take over bridge, king of bridge, hold it, but you need your timer, it's going down as well until you reach 0. Because in this game we got half hour. If it's happening that one team is dominating a lot and doing first 10 minutes and 10 minutes is gone, I see by time, we very quick change sides. If you spend all half hour and there is no screaming, no peeping, I will come and I watch which team is win for dominating. Yeah? You're not allowed to take home this one as well, okay? No hiding, not bullshitting. Of course, this is making from 3D printer. So don't be crazy. No punching, no nothing at all. Just simple and nice. Simple and easy, Just remove another one, simple and easy. There's no need to fucking jumping or whatever. Trust me, I see crazy people sometimes doing nice and easy. There's no need to, too hard to push it around. Nice and easy. Of course, there is special design to do like that. There is not like in the middle or whatever. It's no works. So make sure when you put it is correctly. You see Airsoft Army, it's fit in. Yeah? Now big applause our mister who make that actually. And all my devices is actually making mistakes. Yeah? Because he knows what he's doing. Yeah? Cool? Everybody got it? We play until it's beeping. I got refused, but that will be in the future. But this is sound. How it will be sound. When you're hearing when it's screaming, that means game over. Yeah? Good. Response. Look your respawn starting point. On this game, boys, no boundaries. Using all sides. There is no boundaries. Using all sides. Number 8 and number 2 is your respawn points. Number 2 is actually inside in the tunnel. It's not outside respawn. It's inside. Number 8 is that corner. Number 2 another side. Yeah? Don't forget, no shooting each other respawns at least 5 meters away, but you allowed to crossing enemy respawn. At this moment, you of course no shooting, nothing at all, but you can cross if you want. Good, good, good. Yeah, that's it. I think you're right.
Shall I put my hand under it?
Yeah, you might have to. I love Spectres, but they don't make mag compatibility easy. The newer ones in it. George, you're just trying to convince me to get HPA, aren't you?
Of course I am.
Convert of HPA. Don't worry, I will get a MTW eventually. I'm looking at the website anyway.
We're looking for VZ Tactical.
Yeah, and also directly on their website to see what brands or what models they have. So I'm looking at the MTW Forge.
Yeah, I've got billet.
You got the billet?
There's no difference. They're both machined in the same fucking CNC machine.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just one's made out of a block of billet, you know, and the other one's a forged thing which they go around. So this is nothing, is it? I've got the one that's got the Wraith stock on it, like this, same as this. So there's, you know, the tank runs
How
here.
light is that? Oh, that's light. Jesus. You'd confuse that for a paintball gun though.
Yeah.
That's for speed soft as well, isn't it?
Yes. Not that I would ever play speed soft because I'm too slow.
Guns faster.
Yeah, it is.
Pure mechanical one, yeah?
It's. What do you mean?
It's pure mechanic, no electronics on it, isn't it?
Yeah, there's an electrical trigger. It's Bluetooth trigger, so and this has got a chrono in it, so you can just set it up off an app.
Straight down the middle.
Well, yes, I wasn't looking what I was doing. Fantastic, it's built for me. I could get my wheelchair up it. That old fool.
Yeah, careful there, there's some loose planks. What's the respawn again?
Number 2, which is that over there, look,
Yeah.
I think. Oh, twat. Bollocks. Just when you need it. Oh, hit! Where's our respawn? That way, thank you. You're as lost as I am. Oh, there we are. Under the ridge. Oh, hit! Good shot. Excellent. God, I hate riot shields.
Yeah, I hate them. The problem is they don't even take the grenade.
No.
I seen one guy, he threw the grenade behind him, no one took it. They just watched each other and that's it.
Yeah.
Ah.
I know they're part of the game, but it doesn't go with the spirit of the game as far as I.
The way time is going, I think so there's only a couple of minutes left.
Goodbye.
It's depending on the situation.
Yeah.
You hit.
Fucking bollocks. I said fucking bollocks. Run out of my mags run out. It's alright. No worries. Just having a laugh. Hit.
Take right, sir, underneath the bridge. Hit!
Look out. Oh dear. Edit that up.
Hit!
Yep.